You can say hi.
Hi.
Don't be shy. So my mom helped me put up some decorations. Hold on slowly so I can focus in on it. Wait, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of blurry.
But there's a big doggy.
And then it's all the red lights. Hold on.
You can talk.
Hold on, babe. It's all not focusing. Hold on, babe. Oh, make these guys talk?
Yeah.
I don't want to waste the battery, but hold on.
May the sun burn down on the homes where you lay, and the rains splash down on your face.
This guy does too.
Who's there? I see you. I'll get you.
There's the... Bless you.
Yeah, it's cold up there. That's why.
Go inside.
No.
And there's these
It's
guys.
Grandpa Bob.
Bless you.
Daddy.
Are you showing your shadows?
Yeah.
So we still have more to do. Let me back up and see if you guys can see the fire upstairs.
Again?
Yeah, it didn't show yesterday.
Oh, it didn't? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, are you being silly?
No, I'm just cold.
There, can you guys see the fire upstairs?
Show them inside.
Kinda. It's kind of blurry. I don't know. My phone sucks. Sorry, guys.
It's not the phone. It's just because it's how high it is.
Oh, you're so smart, love.
You need to jump up there. Real big.
Let me see if I can. Let's wait till it starts again. Hold on. So thanks to all my helpers, my little buddy Isaiah, and Nanny, and Daddy. We all put all this stuff up. But we still got more to do. I'm just trying to come up with... Oh, there's the fire. And then I have more projections I'm going to post up on the porch, but... Oh, we didn't show that. Well, we got to wait because we got to wait for that big spider we're getting.
Mom, please, you do it.
We have this guy over here, too.
You're creepy.
Is he creepy? And then we have a big, huge 20-foot spider web. But we got to get better lighting so you guys can see it. And yeah, that's... Oh, the fire. There you guys go. Now I think you can see it better. Kinda. I don't know. It's all foggy up there. It's probably because of the lights. It's okay. They will after I post it. And then I have more fire going in these rooms.
Are you sure? Wait, what's that room? Isn't that the bathroom?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be creepy.
And our pirate ship.
Mama, I want to put my hand in the shoe.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, see the fire?
Let's go back and look over here. It's freezing out here, guys.
Why am I even out here?
Go inside, Booker. Everybody has been freaking out, coming over here, taking selfies with the pirates, watching the illusions. It's okay, babe.
Is he a ghost pirate?
He's a ghost pirate, Booker. No, we have to get more lighting. There's more tombstones and stuff over here. No. There's another pirate skeleton walking his dog.
got hangs all the way to the ground.
And this big crypt, you guys can't really see it, but it's a huge crypt. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Hangs all the way down.
I know. Let's see if I can.
Yeah, you can see.
There you go.
Looks like he's a mermaid. Stuck.
I know, he's got drowned.
No, that's good because he's a skeleton and he needs to die. He's a bad guy.
He's a bad guy?
I'm sure them Uncle Bob.
Hold on. Showing him the big ship.
Wait, Mom, did you show them the front door?
Yeah.
You did? Double check, double check, double check. Uncle Bobby. High five. Oh,
I don't know. I think it's the red lights that
I
are.
would go with the dog box. Ain't no booty butt cheek cells.
Okay, that's it, guys, and I'll show you when we add more.
4 hours.